Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back students in your online computer class. So today in this class I am going to show you the HTML coding of ordered list and unordered list practically. So we do all the HTML coding on Notepad. So first we open the Notepad. This is our Notepad. So what we write? First we write HTML, right? We give HTML tag, then we'll give head, then we'll give the title tag, and now we give the title. Let's give the title ordered list. Now we close the title tag. Next we give body. Now let's give the heading computer languages. Now we have to write the we are using the going to write we are going to use the OL tag, right? So we'll give OL. This tag is used to represent an ordered list, right? Now we'll write the list item. So to write the list item, what we give LI tag. What is LI? LI represents the list item. So we write all the list items here. So here I have written QBasic, Pascal, then LI tag I have written C++ because they all are computer languages. Now we after giving the all the list items, we close the OL tag. Now we give the next heading. Let's give measurement unit. So to give the heading, you all know that we use H1 tag, right? So we give the H1 tag. Now the next heading is measurement units. Measurement units. Now we give the H1 tag for heading. Angle bracket H1. Now again we open the OL tag. Then we give all the list items. We can give bit, right? Now we can give an attribute. Suppose we can give an attribute type is equals to in inverted commas we'll give A. We give small a for small letters. Then we give all the list items, bit, then KB, MB, GB. Then we close the OL tag. Now we'll give another heading, input devices. This is another heading. Now again we open the OL tag. Now we give now we change the numbering style. So we'll change it to Roman numeral in lowercase. So we give type in inverted commas, we'll give I. To change the numbering style into Roman numerals in lowercase. Now we give all the list items. We give LI tag, LI mouse, LI keyboard, then LI scanner. Then we close the OL tag. Then we close the body. Then head, HTML, sorry. Now we save this coding. We go to file, then save as. Then we give the name. Let's give the name ordered list, and we save with an extension .html. And click on save. Now close your notepad. Now you can see that now we open this folder. Open. Now you can see here that we have a title, ordered list, then we have given the numbering, right? We have 1 2 3, then we have A B C D, then we have Roman numerals in lowercase. Okay, now we understand the use of UL tag. So give the here we have given the title tag HTML, then we give tag head tag, then we give title. Let's give the title unordered list. Unordered list. Then we close the title tag. Then we close head. Next, body. Again, let's give the heading computer languages. Computer languages. Then we use UL tag for unordered list. By default, filled circles are used as bullets in the list. Okay, so here we give the list items. Similarly, Li QBasic, Li Pascal, Li C++. Here we have not used any attribute here, so by default filled circles would be shown in our output screen. Now here we have given the next heading, measurement units. Again we give UL, then we give Li bit, Li KB, Li MB, Li GB. Right, now we give the attribute type is equals to, in inverted commas, type is equals to, in inverted commas, we'll give circle. This attribute sets the list with empty circles. You will see the empty circles in the output screen. Now we close the UL tag. Then again we give another heading, input devices. Then again UL tag. We give the attribute type is equals to square. This attribute is used for filled squares. Now we give the list items, mouse, keyboard, scanner. Then we close the UL tag, then we close body, and then HTML. Now we save this coding, file, save as. Let's give the name unordered list, and we give the extension .html. Then save. Now close the notepad. Now you can see, now we open the web browser. Your web browser shows the output like this. Here you can see a filled circle, then we have circle, empty circles, then we have filled squares, and we have a title, an order.